I am at Rishikonda Beach today. I came out for a quick walk. The weather is pretty nice. It's quiet, pleasant, and cloudy. It rained a couple of hours ago, and the tides are pretty high. It's a nice evening to go onto the beach, kind of have fun and stuff, but safety is also important during these times. Keep watching my vlog, and please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. There is obviously a huge rush today because it is Saturday and Sunday, and the weather being good, kind of cloudy a little bit, and it rained, so it's the best time to kind of people come to visit and enjoy the beach. So you'd see it like pretty cloudy, crowded, especially today.
Tired trying at the same shit.
Super heavy breeze for sure, and there are like important announcements that are being made for the safety of the people around here. You can kind of listen to a lot of beeping sound, like loud beeping sound, and that is to make sure that people don't go into the beach. If you see here, so that people don't go more into the beach, and kind of making sure that they are safe.
Tired trying at the same shit. Kinda tired trying to give a fuck. Saving grace has never hit the same end. I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah. Said I've been running out of luck, yeah.
I almost spent 2 hours at the beach, and it's time to leave. But before leaving, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel.